Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today I'll be coming to you guys with another video on how to draw the human mouth. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way that I can. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this video tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so first off we want to start with 3 circles. The last 2 will be on the bottom underneath, and then you want to draw like a sort of like a point on the top circle, right on the top portion, and then a middle line right underneath that, and then one last line underneath the last 2 circles. That's going to be our line for the bottom lip. Next, you want to draw two points on both ends, and then basically just connect the middle line to each side. This is basically just going to be our closed mouth line. Next, you want to draw a little bit, not too dark, but draw each side of the bottom lip. And work your way down from that point of the top portion of the lip towards the side points again, as you did with the lower lip. That's our front view. And later on I'm going to come back to describe each part as well, so you have a better understanding on that too. And now right here I'm just defining it more for us, like just a closed mouth line. And then adding in the philtrum, which is it's right below the nose. It's that one part that looks kind of sunken in. And then you always want to keep the middle portion of the bottom lip a little bit darker, just to give it a little bit more of give it some more depth of it, kind of like popping out, since it's like a pinch underneath. Next is gonna be our 3/4 view. So basically you want to start with the same steps as before. So you want to do 3 circles. The 3rd circle you won't see too much, but maybe you want to draw maybe half of it. And always try to keep each of the circles as slight as you can, so it doesn't overwork what we're trying to construct at the end. So, and then a center line. Sometimes I'll draw a center line or not, but I'll draw a center line just to help me place where I need to place the point on the top circle. And then we're drawing our middle line again, our middle line for the closed mouth line. For the left side of the mouth, you won't really, it'll be shorter since it's not really since it's farther away from us. It'll be shorter than the right side of the mouth. Draw the point on that side as well. And then next we're gonna connect the line for the bottom lip. And the bottom lip is usually from a certain angle. It may look different, but usually the upper lip sits on top of the bottom lip, so it'll have more of a there'll be more of a heavier shadow underneath the top lip. It's kind of sitting over the upper lip. Next, this is going to be our side profile view, which I usually consider to be the most simplest when it comes to drawing a lip. But this approach is I usually approach it where I just draw the outline of the lip first, and then go back to the very top portion of the right below the philtrum, and then work my way back down towards the middle. And sometimes I won't even draw the points of the mouth on the side at all, and I'll just draw the line where I think it need, pretty much wing it sometimes. But as you can see here, I'm basically I'll just draw the outline first and go from there. Just kind of wing certain areas, since I kind of have a better understanding of where certain parts need to be already. And then usually the upper lip is darker than the bottom lip as well. So you can see I'm kind of going back in and just defining the upper lip more. So. And it's kind of it's like a curved surface if you think about it. So if you look at the lips are usually curved. So you could always, sometimes you don't have to, but it does give it a better sense of volume if you do that. Just kind of give your lines a little bit of a curved feel, if you know what I mean. So right here I'm just kind of defining the bottom lip more with some cast shadow. And these border lines are usually called vermilion lines for the top and bottom lip border lines they're really referred to as the vermilion border lines. So just a quick note right there, but I'm gonna be coming back to it later on in this video. So next, I believe I'm gonna just demonstrate which part is which, basically, and just describe the different parts of the lip. And, so right here, I'll jump different steps, only because I already know certain things how to do it. But it's there's many approaches when it comes to drawing different parts of certain areas of the body. But as you can see here, I kind of just started with the circle first, and then the middle closed mouth line, and then I'll add a point underneath the right in the middle, which is just basically just to define the tubercle, which is the very middle part of the lip on the upper lip. And then I'll add in the bottom lip line for the lower lip. And sometimes you don't even have to connect. Usually the bottom lip doesn't really connect. Depending on certain angles, how you look at the lips, they don't really connect to the very corners. Okay, so here, so we're gonna start with the very middle portion of the upper lip. This is gonna be called the I believe the tubercle. That's the puffy part on the upper lip, the very middle. And then I mentioned this earlier as well, just these are basically like the vermilion borderlines. So the very top portion and like the top and bottom lip, those lines, the border lines, are usually just referred to as vermilion borderlines. The upper and lower vermilion borderlines. And to help you remember, you could probably just remember it. Just it rhymes with chameleon. So vermilion, chameleon. And here is the philtrum again. The very center is pretty much just the philtrum, and then the two lines on the sides is just the philtrum columns, basically. It'll be right in between the lip, the upper lip, and right below the nose, nostrils. So there's the points on the top lip. So these are called the Gloku-Klein points, I believe. And I might be pronouncing it wrong, but it's supposed to be Gloku, I think. Gloku-Klein points. And sorry for my handwriting. That's supposed to be a G at the beginning. I think it's Gloku or Gloku or something. It's kind of rhymes with Goku. You ever watch Dragon Ball Z? And, side points, these are usually referred to as the oral commissures. These are going to be the very corners of the lips. And the very center of the top point is usually referred to as the Cupid's bow, and it's because it's just in the shape of a bow, basically. So I think that's the easiest one to remember, just because of that reference there. So. But yeah, that is our lip. I hope that has helped you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.